Keydon Manufacturing Online Training. Introduction to Keydon Manufacturing. Keydon Manufacturing is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) software solution designed specifically for custom manufacturers, such as those in the job shop, make-to-order, and engineer-to-order sectors. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools to manage various aspects of manufacturing operations, from sales and order management to production planning, inventory control, and financials. Key features: Job and order management. Streamlines the process of creating and managing jobs or orders, allowing manufacturers to easily track progress, costs, and timelines. Production planning and scheduling. Offers robust tools for planning and scheduling production activities, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and deadlines are met. Inventory management helps manufacturers manage raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods inventories, optimizing stock levels and reducing waste. Costing and quoting enables accurate job costing and quoting, taking into account materials, labor, overheads, and other expenses to ensure profitability. Financial management integrates with financial modules to provide real-time visibility into the financial performance of the manufacturing operation. Shop floor control provides tools to monitor and manage shop floor activities, ensuring that production processes are running smoothly and efficiently. Reporting and analytics includes reporting and analytics capabilities to provide insights into key performance indicators, KPIs, and operational efficiency. Benefits: customization and flexibility. Keydon Manufacturing is highly customizable, allowing manufacturers to tailor the software to their specific needs and workflows. Cloud-based accessibility. Being a cloud-based solution, it offers the flexibility to access the system from anywhere, making it ideal for distributed teams. Scalability. The software is designed to scale with the business, accommodating growth and increasing complexity in manufacturing operations. Enhanced visibility provides real-time visibility into all aspects of the manufacturing process, enabling better decision-making and improved operational efficiency. Use cases: job shops. Small to medium-sized custom manufacturing businesses that need to manage diverse and complex jobs with varying requirements. Make-to-order manufacturers. Manufacturers who produce items based on specific customer orders and need to manage production schedules and inventories accordingly. Engineer-to-order manufacturers. Companies that design and manufacture products based on unique customer specifications, requiring a flexible and robust ERP solution to manage the entire process from design to delivery. Key features and capabilities of Keydon Manufacturing. Keydon Manufacturing is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) software solution designed specifically for manufacturers, especially those in custom manufacturing, project-based manufacturing, and engineer-to-order (ETO) environments. It helps manufacturers streamline operations, enhance visibility, and improve efficiency across the production life cycle. Here are some of the key features and capabilities of Keydon Manufacturing. 1. Project management. Comprehensive project planning provides tools for detailed project planning, including Gantt charts, task dependencies, and resource allocation. Real-time project tracking allows for real-time tracking of project progress, helping managers stay on top of timelines and budgets. Resource management facilitates efficient resource allocation, ensuring that the right people and equipment are available when needed. 2. Production management. Shop floor control, real-time visibility into production activities on the shop floor, enabling better scheduling and resource utilization. Work order management streamlines the creation, tracking, and completion of work orders, ensuring that production processes are executed efficiently. Bill of materials, BOM, management allows for the creation and management of complex BOMs, supporting both standard and custom products. 3. Inventory management. Inventory tracking, real-time tracking of inventory levels, including raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory, supports JIT inventory strategies to minimize excess inventory and reduce carrying costs. Purchase order management automates the creation and tracking of purchase orders, ensuring timely procurement of materials. 4. Sales and customer management. Quoting and estimating, tools for generating accurate quotes and estimates based on detailed cost and resource data. Customer relationship management, CRM integrates with CRM systems to manage customer interactions and track sales opportunities. Order management streamlines the order-to-cash process from order entry to fulfillment and invoicing. 5. Financial management. Accounting integration integrates with accounting systems to provide seamless financial management, including accounts receivable, accounts payable, and general ledger functions. Cost tracking tracks costs at every stage of the manufacturing process, providing detailed insights into profitability and cost management. Financial reporting generates financial reports, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements for informed decision-making. 6. Reporting and analytics. Customizable dashboards offers customizable dashboards that provide key performance indicators, KPIs, and real-time data visualization. Advanced Analytics supports advanced analytics to uncover insights into operational efficiency, production performance, and financial health. Scheduled reporting allows users to schedule regular reports to be delivered automatically, ensuring stakeholders have up-to-date information. 7. Supply chain management. Supplier management helps manage supplier relationships, including performance tracking and communication. Demand planning, tools for forecasting demand and planning production accordingly, ensuring alignment with market needs. Procurement automation automates procurement processes from requisition to supplier selection and purchase order issuance. Streamlining production processes with Keyden. Streamlining production processes with Keyden involves leveraging its project and portfolio management (PPM) capabilities to enhance efficiency, reduce bottlenecks, and improve overall production outcomes. Here's how Keyden can be used to optimize production processes. 1. Project planning and scheduling. Advanced scheduling. Keyden allows you to create detailed project schedules, ensuring that all tasks are assigned, resources are allocated effectively, and timelines are clearly defined. This helps in avoiding delays and ensuring that production milestones are met. Resource management. Efficient resource allocation is crucial in production. Kiden helps in optimizing the use of resources by ensuring that the right resources are assigned to the right tasks at the right time. 2. Real-time monitoring and reporting. Dashboard and reporting. Kiden provides real-time dashboards and customizable reports that give an overview of the production process. This visibility helps in identifying any issues or delays early, allowing for quick interventions. KPI tracking. Key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to production can be tracked in real time, enabling managers to ensure that the production process is on track and aligned with business goals. 3. Process automation. Workflow automation. Repetitive and manual tasks within the production process can be automated using Kiden's workflow automation capabilities. This reduces the chances of human error and frees up valuable time for more strategic tasks. Task automation. Kiden allows for the automation of task assignments, reminders, and approvals, ensuring that production processes flow smoothly without unnecessary delays. 4. Risk management. Risk identification and mitigation. Kiden's risk management tools help in identifying potential risks in the production process early on. By assessing the impact and likelihood of these risks, you can implement mitigation strategies to minimize disruptions. 5. Collaboration and communication. Integrated communication tools. Kiden supports better communication among teams through integrated tools, ensuring that everyone involved in the production process is on the same page. This is crucial for coordinating complex production schedules and responding to issues quickly. Collaboration features. By enabling better collaboration across departments and teams, Kiden ensures that any dependencies in the production process are managed effectively, leading to smoother operations. 6. Continuous improvement. Data-driven decision-making. With Kiden, you can analyze historical data and trends to identify areas for improvement in your production processes. This continuous feedback loop supports ongoing process optimization. Lessons learned. Kiden can document and track lessons learned from previous projects, allowing for continuous improvement in production processes by applying these insights to future projects. 7. Integration with other systems. ERP integration. Kiden can be integrated with ERP systems to ensure seamless data flow and alignment between production planning and execution. This integration helps in synchronizing the production processes with inventory management, supply chain, and other critical business functions. Custom integrations. Kiden's flexibility allows it to integrate with various other tools and systems, further enhancing its ability to streamline production processes. Enhancing supply chain management using Kiden. Kiden, a cloud-based software solution, can significantly enhance supply chain management by offering a range of features and capabilities designed to streamline processes, improve visibility, and optimize operations. Here's how Kiden can contribute to a more efficient and effective supply chain. 1. Project and portfolio management. End-to-end visibility. Kiden provides real-time visibility into supply chain projects, enabling managers to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions quickly. Resource optimization. The platform helps in allocating resources efficiently across various supply chain activities, ensuring that the right resources are available at the right time. 2. Demand planning and forecasting. Accurate forecasting. By integrating with existing ERP systems and utilizing historical data, Keydin can enhance demand forecasting accuracy, leading to better inventory management and reduced stockouts. Scenario planning. Keydin allows for scenario planning, enabling businesses to simulate different supply chain scenarios and plan accordingly to mitigate risks. 3. Process automation. Workflow automation. Keydin automates routine tasks within the supply chain, such as order processing, invoicing, and procurement, reducing manual errors and freeing up time for more strategic activities. Real-time notifications. The system can send real-time alerts and notifications, ensuring that stakeholders are immediately informed of any issues or delays. 4. Supplier management. Supplier performance tracking. Keydin helps in monitoring and evaluating supplier performance through key metrics, ensuring that suppliers meet quality standards and delivery timelines. Collaboration tools. The platform provides tools for better collaboration with suppliers, facilitating smoother communication and more effective partnership management. 5. Risk management. Risk identification and mitigation. Keydin can identify potential risks within the supply chain, such as disruptions in supply, and offer strategies for mitigation through contingency planning and alternative sourcing options. Compliance management. The software ensures that all supply chain activities comply with relevant regulations and standards, reducing the risk of non-compliance penalties. 6. Financial management. Cost control. Keydin allows for better control over supply chain costs by providing detailed insights into expenditures, helping to identify areas where costs can be reduced without compromising quality. Budgeting and forecasting. The platform assists in creating accurate budgets and forecasts for supply chain activities, ensuring that financial resources are allocated efficiently. 7. Data analytics and reporting. Real-time analytics. Keydin provides real-time analytics on supply chain performance, helping managers to make data-driven decisions. Customizable reporting. The platform offers customizable reporting features, enabling users to generate reports that align with specific business needs and KPIs. Keydin's approach to manufacturing resource planning. Keydin's approach to manufacturing resource planning, MRP, is designed to enhance the efficiency, visibility, and flexibility of manufacturing operations. Here's an overview of their approach. 1. Cloud-based MRP solution. Scalability and flexibility. Keydin offers a cloud-based MRP solution that allows manufacturers to scale their operations easily. The cloud infrastructure enables businesses to adapt to changing demands without the need for significant on-premise infrastructure investments. Real-time data access. The cloud-based nature of Keydin's MRP ensures that users can access real-time data from anywhere, enhancing decision-making and responsiveness to market changes. 2. Integrated project and resource management. End-to-end visibility. Keydin integrates project management with resource planning, offering complete visibility into the entire manufacturing process. This integration helps in aligning resources with production schedules, reducing bottlenecks and improving efficiency. Resource optimization. The platform helps manufacturers optimize the use of resources, including labor, materials, and machinery, ensuring that production is cost-effective and timely. 3. Advanced scheduling and planning. Dynamic scheduling. Keyden provides advanced scheduling capabilities that adjust in real time based on resource availability, production capacity, and demand fluctuations. This ensures that manufacturing operations are always aligned with current priorities. Capacity planning. The software includes tools for capacity planning, allowing manufacturers to forecast production capabilities and adjust their schedules accordingly. This minimizes downtime and maximizes throughput. 4. Supply chain integration. Vendor and supplier management. Keyden's MRP solution integrates with supply chain systems, enabling better coordination with vendors and suppliers. This integration ensures that materials are available when needed, reducing lead times and avoiding production delays. Inventory management. The platform provides robust inventory management features, allowing manufacturers to maintain optimal inventory levels and reduce carrying costs. 5. Customization and configuration. Tailored solutions. Keyden understands that different manufacturers have unique needs. The platform offers extensive customization options, enabling businesses to configure the MRP system to match their specific processes and workflows. User-friendly interface. The software is designed with an intuitive interface, making it accessible to users at all levels of the organization. 6. Analytics and reporting. Data-driven insights. Keyden's MRP solution includes powerful analytics and reporting tools that provide actionable insights into production performance, resource utilization, and operational efficiency. Continuous improvement. By leveraging real-time data and analytics, manufacturers can continuously improve their processes, identifying areas for cost reduction and efficiency gains. 7. Collaboration and communication. Cross-functional collaboration. The platform facilitates collaboration across different departments, ensuring that everyone involved in the production process is on the same page. This reduces miscommunication and enhances overall operational efficiency. Real-time communication. Keyden supports real-time communication within teams, helping to address issues quickly and keep projects on track. Optimizing inventory management with Keyden. Optimizing inventory management with Keyden involves leveraging its project portfolio management (PPM) and enterprise resource planning (ERP) capabilities to ensure efficient tracking, control, and utilization of inventory resources. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Integrate inventory with project management. Centralized inventory control. Use Keyden to create a centralized repository for all inventory-related data, allowing for real-time visibility across multiple projects and locations. Link inventory to projects. Ensure that inventory items are directly linked to specific projects or tasks. This helps in tracking usage, costs, and availability more accurately. To automate inventory tracking. Real-time updates. Utilize Keyden's automation features to update inventory levels in real time as items are used or replenished. Automated alerts. Set up automated alerts for low inventory levels, upcoming replenishments, or potential shortages, helping to avoid project delays. 3. Improve forecasting and planning. Demand forecasting. Use Cadence Analytics to forecast demand based on historical data and project timelines, ensuring that inventory levels are aligned with future needs. Just-in-time inventory. Implement a just-in-time inventory approach to minimize holding costs and reduce waste, ensuring that items are available exactly when needed. 4. Optimize inventory levels. Inventory optimization. Use Cadence reporting tools to analyze inventory turnover rates and identify slow-moving or obsolete items, allowing for better inventory optimization. Dynamic reordering. Implement dynamic reordering strategies based on project schedules, lead times, and supplier performance to maintain optimal inventory levels. 5. Enhance collaboration and communication. Collaborative planning. Use Cadence to enhance collaboration between project managers, procurement teams, and suppliers, ensuring that everyone is aligned on inventory needs and timelines. Stakeholder communication. Keep all stakeholders informed about inventory status and potential issues, facilitating quicker decision-making and problem-solving. 6. Leverage reporting and analytics. Comprehensive reports. Generate detailed reports on inventory usage, costs, and availability, providing insights that can be used to improve inventory management processes. KPI monitoring. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, related to inventory, such as stock levels, turnover rates, and order accuracy, to continuously improve inventory management. 7. Enhance supplier management. Supplier performance monitoring. Use Cadence to monitor and evaluate supplier performance, ensuring timely and reliable delivery of inventory items. Supplier collaboration. Foster better collaboration with suppliers through shared data and integrated workflows, improving the overall efficiency of inventory management. 8. Implement inventory audits. Regular audits. Schedule regular inventory audits within Cadence to verify accuracy and ensure that the system data matches physical inventory. Integrating Cadence manufacturing with existing systems. Integrating Cadence manufacturing with existing systems involves several critical steps to ensure seamless data flow and process automation across platforms. Here's an outline of how this integration can be approached. 1. Assessment of existing systems. Inventory of systems. Identify all systems currently in use, such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, MES, Manufacturing Execution System, and other business-critical software. Integration capabilities. Evaluate the integration capabilities of these systems, including available APIs, application programming interfaces, data export-import formats, example CSV, XML, JSON, and middleware solutions. 2. Integration strategy. Data flow design. Map out how data will flow between Cadence manufacturing and the existing systems. This includes identifying key data points like inventory levels, production schedules, order statuses, and customer information. Real-time versus batch processing. Decide whether the integration will involve real-time data syncing or batch processing at intervals. Middleware use. Consider using middleware or an enterprise service bus, ESB, to manage and transform data between systems, ensuring compatibility and seamless data flow. 3. API integration. API availability. Utilize APIs provided by Keyden Manufacturing to connect with existing systems. Ensure that the APIs support the necessary operations such as data retrieval, updates, and triggers for specific events. Custom API development. If necessary, develop custom APIs or connectors to bridge gaps between systems that do not natively support integration with Keyden Manufacturing. 4. Data synchronization. Master Data Management. MDM. Establish a master data management strategy to ensure consistency and accuracy of data across systems. This includes setting up rules for data synchronization, conflict resolution, and data validation. Data transformation. Implement data transformation processes to convert data into the required formats and structures for each system. 5. Automation and workflow integration. Automated workflows. Create automated workflows that trigger actions in Keyden Manufacturing based on data or events from other systems. For instance, automatically updating production schedules when new orders are received in the ERP system. Process automation tools. Leverage tools like robotic process automation, RPA, for repetitive tasks such as data entry or report generation to further streamline operations. 6. Testing and validation. Integration testing. Conduct comprehensive testing to ensure that the integrated systems communicate correctly, data is transferred accurately, and processes are automated as intended. Pilot run. Implement a pilot run with a subset of data or a specific business process to validate the integration before full-scale deployment. 7. Monitoring and maintenance. Real-time monitoring. Set up monitoring tools to oversee data flow, system performance, and error handling. This helps in quickly identifying and resolving any issues that arise. Regular updates. Plan for regular updates and maintenance of the integration components to accommodate changes in systems, APIs, or business processes. Why choose ProExcellency for Keyden Manufacturing online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Keyden Manufacturing online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs experienced instructors who are well-versed in Keyden Manufacturing. These instructors often bring real-world experience and insights, enhancing the learning process. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are usually designed to cover all key aspects of Keyden Manufacturing, including modules on project management, resource planning, and financial management, ensuring that learners gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency's training often includes practical, hands-on exercises that allow learners to apply what they've learned in real-world scenarios, reinforcing their knowledge and skills. Flexible learning options. They often offer flexible learning schedules, including live online classes and recorded sessions, which cater to the needs of professionals with busy schedules. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically provides access to a range of learning materials, including video tutorials, case studies, and practice exercises. Additionally, they may offer post-training support to help learners with any queries or challenges they face while implementing Keyden Manufacturing in their work. Thank you.